Filtering a mutli-index. C1 and C2 are the multi-index. I'm hoping to get a result which gives me only values in C1 which have values both lower than 10 and greater than or equal to 10 in C2. So in the table above C1, we should go, with the final result should look like this. I tried df.lock df.c2, 10, and df.c2 equals 10, but this didn't work. I also tried filter1 equals df.index.get_level_values C2, 10 filter2 equals df.index.get_level_values C2 equals 10. df.illoc filter1 and filter2, which I saw suggested on another post that also didn't work. Anyone know how to solve this? Thanks.
Use groupwidget transform with groupwidget.any for test at least one condition match per groups, so possible last filter by m data frame. Alternative solution.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.